Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Wheels India Limited. This is the monthly chart and the stock on listing at the price range of 23 and now the stock is trading nearly 637. It's a good stock and now the stock is out of the range. It's on downtrend since 2018 and now it came out of the downtrend. So it's now good to go long and the stock also showing bullish momentum on recent days. So now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. So let me draw the major resistance and support regions in the stock. So this could be a possible resistance for the stock in the upcoming days. So this is a resistance and currently the stock is at the major confluence area. So this could be taken as a confluence area because look at the reaction to the price range by the stock. The stock considered it as a resistance and once again it as a resistance and here it considered it as a support and here it considered it as a resistance and now it's facing resistance. So one can go along after the breakout from this resistance and the stock is clearly bullish, so one can go along. So now let's move to the weekly chart. Before moving to the weekly chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. In the Telegram group, you can ask your questions regarding share market and you can also ask doubts regarding the stock ideas published in our channel. So this is the weekly chart. In weekly chart, let me draw the major supply and demand zones. So this could be a possible demand zone for the stock in the upcoming days. The stock is in consolidation since 2020. The stock now showing momentum on higher side and the breakout is fine and the retracement is also fine. With the retracement happens in small candles, good sign of going long. Always remember, a stock should have very less transaction during the retracement zone and it should have high shares transaction on trending mode and the momentum candle should be very large and a continuous momentum candles like this, the three candles shows a huge upside momentum and denotes that the stock is very bullish right now. And look at the wick here, the wick is very huge. This shows that buyers are very strong in the stock, so it's a good stock to go along. Now let's move to the daily chart to analyze the price target and entry in the stock. So look at the line I have drawn here. This is the major supply zone which has to be taken by the buyers and currently this line will be a major resistance for the stock. So one can take trade above the price range of 670. So let me use the Fibonacci extension tool to analyze the price target in the stock. So take entry above the price range of 672 or one can take above the 675 also. So one can expect the price range of 780 as a target. But be cautious because the stock is facing many resistance on upper side. So have a cautious look on the stock and if the stock broken the price range of 780 then the stock may see 912 as a target for the stock. It's very much easy to attain the price range of 912 because the stock has a strong momentum on upper side. The only problem is the resistance in near term. So if the price range of 780 is broken then one can expect the target of 912 as a target for the stock and which is almost a 35% upside from the price of entry. So this stock is very good and good momentum is shown in the recent days, so one can go along in this stock. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.